Yo, man, I'm back with an unboxing. Today we got the Gucci's men's driver. So in the box, they get you the nice little box. You got your cards, whatever. And you got your little bag, little big old bag. I don't know what's the point of this though, cause I ain't have used none of these bags. Little ugly old bag. And here goes the box. So we got the Gucci. See what they look like. Now each shoe comes in an individual protector sleeve. Damn. Now you have in style, you got the all black Gucci drivers. They said these ain't supposed to wear socks with these.